Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To get all the video update from the ground on the upcoming video on YouTube, please subscribe our channel. So today I will talk about the requirement in Bharat Bell India Limited, So this point is very necessary because most of the engineer actually they are working some different company, like someone they is working some contract basis as a project engineer, senior engineer. So but they having no don't having the knowledge in the field of where we have to go. So for that we are coming here for the vacancy purpose. Make sure that you have to watch the full video at the end, then you can able to understand very well. So first of all, I want to introduce actually in India, more than lakhs of engineer is becoming every year. Means they are from top institution like IIT, NIT, top university also, and some of the reputed engineering college. But due to the lack of knowledge, they are not getting the proper job. Some engineer having the some mindset that we have to enter in only the government sector job, but the some of the engineer they might think like that we have to enter, we have to you know enter uh, in the IT sector company. So for those, and some of the engineer also they are doing really a struggle in the life to getting the correlated job. So and most of the engineers actually firstly after graduate or during the appearing period they are written for mm, like get exam for securing a good job in government company. So this is one of the good thinking. If you are thinking like that, you have to enter only in the government company. So this video dedicated for you only. My dear friends, most of the engineer actually they are out of the point because they not realize, and due to the lack of knowledge he's not applying his job. He having all the ability, he can able to handle each and every problem related to your subject, but the problem is that due to the lack of knowledge he's not applying through his career web. So now I am coming here. So we are coming here for this video, and watch carefully and know each and every point, then you can able to understand very well, right? So this is our the vacancy in Bharat Electronic Limited, that is called the BHEL India, right? It is also called, means if you want to become engineer in this company, means you can also consider that har ek kaam desh ke naam, you can also say like that, because government engineering nothing but you will feel actually very proud. For that what we have to do, means some of the engineer after graduating from the college they have joining the ECIL, some other private sector in contract basis, but they having the experience, they can handle each and every no project like EC ECIL, and some of the project we can't able to tell you, but you have to know only. So on the basis of knowledge and experience you can enter, because this is the only the things you can enter. And second thing is that if you don't have the experience like project and senior manager, in the sense senior executive, you can also go for the no vacancy for applying. You have the great knowledge in each and every subject. Without having the great knowledge, how can you fight for the exam? So that is one of the plus point. If you want to crack for the exam, in the sense you have to the very period knowledge, basic knowledge you have to must know each and every subject, because this is project, in the sense you have to know each and every command for the electronics and communication engineering and computer science engineering. So this is 2 point we are taking here. So how much vacancy? There are two. Bharat India Limited going to hire the two types of employee. First employee, that is called the permanent employee. The number of post is 5. And second is temporary employee. The number of vacancy would be the 4 only. If I talk about the permanent post, what would be the education qualification, age limitation, what the company uh, would pay, and what will be the minimum qualification for CSE or ECE engineer. Now, so firstly, I would like to introduce the post of senior engineering. If you are MTech holder, MTech engineering, and so you have to carrying only the relevant experience only for the 2 year. 2 years is crucial for you for clearing the interview. And if you don't having the MTech degree, means you have only the BTech degree, but you have the more than 4 year of experience, then this post you for only. So here 4 year of experience, that is good for becoming the senior engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited. So the post will be actually for general, OBC, SC, ST. General would be 2, OBC would be 1, and SC, ST would be 1. Total is 5. And what the age would be minimum? What actually, as far as the age is concerned, age actually play the very crucial role for any engineer to becoming the government engineer. So age, you have to make sure that 32 years. And what they will pay? They will pay for 50,000 to 1,60,000 per annum. So that is very good package for BTech engineer. As a senior engineer, they having the experience in minimum 2 years for MTech engineer, or minimum 4 years for BTech engineer. So this is very good. So try to, so I am requesting for all the engineer, they have already no working with some contract basis of some private and government company. They are searching for the job, but due to the lack of knowledge is not apply for the top company. So this is the best idea which I'm telling here. So try to apply this post. And second thing I would like to mention, that is the vacancy number 2, that is called the temporary vacancy. Means on the basis of contract, they will mention contract would be might be minimum 2 years, 5 year, according to the company business requirement. So this is one of the good thing here. What actually you need to do, means here the no same qualification would be BTech, uh, BTech and MTech, EC and CSC candidate. So project engineering, if I talking about the no CSE, computer science engineering, and electronics and communication engineering. So if you having the degree in MTech in ECE or CSE, if you having the minimum 2 year period experience, so this post to you for only. But make sure that you have to minimum 2 year of experience. And if you don't having the MTech degree, you have only the BTech degree in a sense, but you are carrying minimum 4 year of experience, that is considered as the good engineer for the project basis role, right? So here what you need to do, just apply for project engineer. And what would be temporary post will be for, like you are general category, 2 posts, and EWS, 1 vacancy, and OBC, that is 1 vacancy. So here the in temporary uh, engineer means only for 4 vacancy, uh, general, EWS and OBC. General for 2, EWS for 1, and other for OBC for 1. So only for a temporary uh, contract basis. And other thing I would like to explain what will be the age. Age will be same only, means 32 years maximum it will be considered, or minimum you have to visit the site only. So it might be differ according to the company policy, they might be changed. So if I talk about the what they will actually pay, so if I talk about the payment is concerned, first year the Bharat Electronics, they will pay for first year 40,000, second year for 45,000, and third year for 50,000. So this is the renunciation, we can say also. So this is all about that. The Bharat Electronics company, हर एक काम देश के लिए, if you want to become the engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited company, make sure that we have to visit the site, the main official page, that is www.bhail.india.in, and go to the career phase. There is some certain rules and requirement, and consider each and every point that you can able to attention and keeping all the things in the mind. So this is all about the vacancy. Make sure that if you having the engineer and you are carrying the minimum 2 year of experience as a MTech level and BTech level, you having the 4 year of experience, this is the right time to apply. The last date would be 14 sorry 24 October 2024. The last date will be here. So before that, try to apply, and before you can also just go through the syllabus, because all the syllabus what you have already read in the BTech and MTech level cases, right? Subject will be same only, some changes will be happened, but make sure that if you want to really interested before going to exam, just mention and read the carefully last 5 to 6 year of question bank. It will be very necessary, because right now the competition is very tough. Means according to my knowledge, 5 vacancy for for permanent post, the application would be most would be uh, might be actually 1,000 for 5. So that only competition would be very tough, and permanent temporary, that is also for it, the competition would be very tough. So what I'm trying to say here, I am trying to say here, before going for exam, if you already fill the form, as far as your preparation is concerned, you have to clear all the subjective knowledge, try to cover all the things and good knowledge, then it will be easy for you only. Otherwise can't be possible. Right now competition is very tough. We can't say who will be the right candidate for the Bharat Electronics Limited. So thank you for watching this video. I will see in the next video. Thank you so much.